What is the value of the expression 240 divided by 8 multiplied by open parenthesis 6 minus 1 close parenthesis and multiplied by 2? Which option do you think is the correct answer to this question? This expression is so tricky that 95% of people get the wrong answer. Let's go step by step and solve it together. Many people, when trying to solve this question, first go for the expression inside the parentheses because they believe parentheses have a higher priority than the other operations. So, they simplify this expression to 240 divided by 8 multiplied by 5 and again multiplied by 2. And the next step, they go for the two multiplication signs that I've highlighted in yellow because they think multiplication has a higher priority than division. So, instead of this expression, they write 240 divided by 80, which finally gives them the answer 3. And immediately, they conclude that the correct answer to this question is option A. However, this answer is absolutely wrong. Alright, now let me show you how to solve this expression correctly. To solve this question, we must follow a rule that is called PEMDAS. And this rule, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponent, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. We must perform these operations exactly in order from top to bottom according to the PEMDAS rule. Okay, and the first step, we go for the expression inside the parentheses because it has the highest priority among all the operations. So, instead of this expression, we can write 240 divided by 8 multiplied by 5 and again multiplied by 2. Okay, as you can see in the image, in this expression, we have one division sign followed by two multiplication signs. We must pay close attention that multiplication and division have exactly the same level of priority in the PEMDAS rule. In this situation, the best thing to do is to start from the left and perform these two operations in order. So, first we perform the division between 240 and 8, which simplifies this expression to 30 multiplied by 5 and again multiplied by 2. In the final step, we perform the multiplication between 30 and 5. And instead of this expression, we can write 150 multiplied by 2, which finally gives us the answer 300. That's great. Option D is the correct answer to this question. Alright, now let's solve another tricky math question together. What is the value of the expression 36 divided by 18 multiplied by open parenthesis 4 minus 2 close parenthesis? Which option do you think is the correct answer to this question? Let's take a closer look and solve it together. And the first step, most people start by solving the expression inside their parentheses and replace it with 36 divided by 18 multiplied by 2. And the next step, they go for the multiplication between 18 and 2 because they think multiplication has priority over division. So, this expression simplifies to 36 divided by 36, which finally gives them the answer 1. And immediately, they quickly say that option A is the correct answer to this question. However, that's definitely wrong. As you can see on the screen, in this expression, first we have a division sign, followed by a multiplication sign, and finally parentheses. To solve this question, we need to use the PEMDAS rule. PEMDAS shows us the priority of the order of operations. So, we start with the parentheses first, because it has the highest priority than the other operations. Okay, this expression simplifies to 36 divided by 18 multiplied by 2. Now, it's time to simplify this expression. It's very important to note that in the PEMDAS rule, multiplication and division have exactly the same level of priority. In this case, all we need to do is to start from the rest of the expression and move step by step toward the right. So, first we perform the division between 36 and 18, which simplifies this expression to 2 multiplied by 2. And finally, the value of this expression will be 4.